basic and traditional question that tell me about yourself, including your educational background and the last project you worked on.
Okay, sir. Uh, Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mantasha Shaika and I am from Jamshedpur. I have done my matriculation from Netaji Subhas Public School and my intermediate from Netaji Karim City College. Currently, I am doing BCA from Netaji Subhas University. Since I'm in third year, I've come a long way in my journey where I'm still learning and exploring the other things. I have also done internship from ITCPST, where I have done a team project that is front end, and that in which we use the technology that is HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Uh, so, what was the topic of your last project?
The topic is study material.
Okay, and what is that
That is
study material? What is that project?
that project is about providing the study materials to the students or any other people who want to learn something new, who want to learn some technologies knowledge, and also we provide some PDFs and free resources through that.
Okay. What are the other such type of project in market? Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. There are many other projects like this, like Geeks for Geeks also provides study materials as well as some courses, and there are, but they provide paid courses,
Okay.
and like that there are many other things.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, you had in your resume you have written that you have teaching experience.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is this? matlab, what kind of
Actually,
students your audience?
uh,
What are your audience
yes,
student?
I've been tutoring from last 3 years. They are basically from primary schools,
Okay.
and I've been teaching every subjects.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Teaching is very good thing. So, Mantasha, uh, uh, tell me about yourself in a single word.
Okay, sir. Sir, in single word, I would like to describe myself uh, as a person who never give up.
Okay. Any example that you want to share?
Yes, sir. I want to share the example. Like last time, I have got the fever and I've got some health issues. But I would like to I after sorry. Uh, Last time when I did this mock interview, I have some health issues, but I didn't give up. I joined the mock interview. That thing. I think I didn't give up at that time.
Okay. Uh, I think you had worked your project in a group, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me about a time when you experienced difficulty uh, during that project with your team members.
Yes, sir. I faced some difficulties where I didn't connect or didn't got the details about the projects because we all are designing the different modules. So at that time they are not giving the report where they are what they are designing, what they are doing. So it is difficult at that time. Then after that I think uh, we talked in a group call, and we we include some resources also, like we do meets, and then we showed to each other where we showed each other what we are doing, and that's it. That's how I solved the confliction.
Okay. Okay. You
Yes,
have written anime art as your hobby.
anime art.
Yes,
Yes,
anime art. So, what is this anime art?
so anime art is actually it is turning people into an anime character.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
do you use any application for that, or you just
No,
write
no.
it? Your
I use pencil and paper for that.
okay, using only pencil and paper. So basically, you are
Yes,
a pencil artist.
yes, I am a pencil artist. But
Okay.
uh, I changed the real people into anime.
Okay. Okay. Uh, so, what are the different programming languages that you know?
Uh, Actually, since I'm doing BCA, I know C, C++, Java, and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. But my currently primary language is Java. Yes, sir.
Okay.
These are my.
So, how do you rate yourself in Java? If I'll say out of 10, how much number you would give yourself?
I think I would give myself as 7.5 up to 8.
Okay, 7.5 up to 8 means uh, okay. So, what are the different topics that you have covered already in Java?
Okay, I have covered the basics of Java, like operators, identifiers, literals, and access modifier, and the OOPS concepts, like OOPS concepts and the features of OOPS, and also multi-threading. But I think currently I didn't revise. That's why I want to include, not to include multi-threading, and then,
Okay. Have you heard about string class?
yes, yes,
So, what
string
is that
also,
string?
but string, it is a string is a non-primitive data type. It is non-primitive data type, which it is a user defined. Basically, it is defined by the users.
And what is the difference between the primitive and non-primitive?
Primitive data type is the data type which are uh, predefined in the programming, and non-primitive are the data type which is defined by the user. They are the user defined.
Okay.
And for
Uh,
example, in primitive data type include int, float, char, and double. Or not in non-primitive class string arrays. These are those are the
okay.
examples.
Have you heard about wrapper classes?
Yes, sir, I have heard, but I think I didn't revise. That's why I didn't recall that.
Okay. Uh, any idea about auto boxing?
Auto boxing in Java.
Yes, yes.
I didn't heard this topic in Java.
Okay. We'll move to the next questions. What are the
Okay.
different kinds of inheritance?
There are single level in single type single inheritance, um, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance.
Okay. Tell me few lines about all these.
Okay. Single inheritance is an inheritance in which there is two class. One is parent and another is child class. So the child class inherits the parent class. That is single level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is the inheritance in which there are include the multiple classes in which each other inherits, in which every class, not yes, sir. For example, there are 3 class, the first class and the second class and the third class. The third class inherits the second class. The second class inherits the first class. That is multi-level inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the inheritance where it is a mixture of the type, the it is a mixture of the types of the inheritance, like single level, mixture of single level inheritance and multi-level inheritance is hybrid inheritance, and the hierarchical inheritance is inheritance where the parent class have the multiple child class. That is hierarchical inheritance.
Okay, and what is a diamond problem in inheritance?
Diamond problem is basically an ambiguity problem where the child confuses who is the parents of the who he want to inherit, so basically the confusion arises to that child. That is ambiguity problem, diamond problem.
Okay, what is a runtime polymorphism?
Runtime polymorphism is a method overriding. It is also called method overriding, where there are two different classes. First is parent, and second is the child class. Both have the same name method, and have a same parameter, but they both are in the different class. That is runtime polymorphism.
Okay, what is a garbage collector?
Garbage collector is like a inbuilt cleaner that is in JVM. Which cleans the memory. Basically, it have where basically when an object which is not doing anything, that cleans by the JVM.
Okay.
That is clean.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is a monitor for multi-threading in Java?
Actually, I didn't revise the multi-threading concept, so
Okay.
currently I didn't recall